What's up, viewers? Christopher Colawley. I'm gonna be taking a journey with you to the upgraded program of the Area of Shapes game. So follow me as I'm about to show you something new. So here it is. Yeah. Import sympy, present equals to true, while true is an empty string if present. Yeah, if present. Yeah. So categories: circle, cylinder, square, rectangle, triangle using trigonometry, parallelogram, trapezium. Present equals to false. So p equals to integer. Choose between two numbers. Or should I say 8? If p equals to 1, circle radius. Math.pi times radius. Return area. Area of a circle is this. So it's pi times radius. I'm just going to be explaining the formula only, but only explaining a few concepts on the way. So the area of the circle is this. Oh yes, forgot to mention. This is calling the function in. The radius is what I put as a substitute for this. And whatever I put here is what it gives here. And the circle just calculates that, the return in the area. And this is all called using a function. A function is just a block of code. So the same thing happens for cylinder, except the formula is pi r squared plus pi r squared h, which height is there, which cylinder gives you the height here, there, so therefore that's that. Depth square is length a times length a, obviously length a to the exponent of 2, which gives you that. So area of a square is this, so p equals to 4. In rectangle, length times width, simple. These two are simple. Next, triangle formula 1. These are where I'll explain the formulas. That's about it all. So triangle formula 1 is basically base A times height A, because there are two base times height over here. Because that's what I'm using over here. Which one I'm going to correct now. Just to ensure the code is simple and safe. But wait, I'm not supposed to do that now. But anyways, never mind. I can still get it to work again. So if p equals to 6, triangle formula is ABC, half times AB times sine C. So this is how you produce sine. I'll deal with that more in my trigonometry videos. Sympy.sine, math.radians. So if you put this, it will give you radians. If you put math.sine, it will give you radians. But if you put math.radians here and sympy.sin, it will give you the correct thing. That's that. So half times base times height is the simpler formula for right angle triangles. Simple, easy and peasy. So the next one is height and base times height. Basically, half of this, or twice of this, and this is half of this. And trapezium is AB plus 2. Sorry, it's A plus B over 2 times height, which you need AB in height, and you call the function after that. And you all use an F string. You must always use an F string to insert values if you need. And this colon here, the 2 dots and the dot here, 2F means 2 significant figures, or just 2 decimal places, if you want to call it. But anyways, I'll run it for you live. But first, let me deal with some things, then after I come back. Okay, here we go, let's run it. Console takes time to do this, don't worry guys, it will be done, don't worry guys, don't worry. There we go. In 3, 2, 1, show me the shapes, and we'll be out of our way. Okay, here we go. Radius 6, so we give us that. 2, 6, 7. Sorry for saying that, it's not supposed to be said out of my mouth. The area of the radius and height is 904.78, yeah. And I put the units there because it might be something else. But it might not be unit specific. All you have to do is to translate here. Translate from one to another, yeah. If you're translating from units, you'll have to translate from one unit to another. Simple. Simple. Just translate here, man. Just translate. Translate it. Then he'll give you the call. A rectangle is never like that, so I might start it again. Sorry about that. Only one chance. Sorry, guys. Only one chance. I'm only doing this only one go. Sorry about that. A rectangle is never supposed to have yes. Here we go. 6, 2, 6, 7, I'll take care of myself. Then 4, 5, 9. 5, 12, 6. And 6, 19, 28. Sine 45. Let's say the sine of 45. There we go. Sine 7. Sorry, not sine 7. 7. Then we do this one again. 12 and 6. Which explains my concept earlier. This is just twice this. Nope, this is just half of this, and this one is just twice of it. So finally, 8. 8 plus 9 over 2, 17 over 2, 8.5 times 8.5, 72.25. Bingo! That's how the cookie crumbles. And that's the end of the video. We'll go to our post-video talks right now. Christopher Kalale here. I want to say a big congratulations to you for participating in my videos, obviously. The next one will be the updated parameter shapes. Or should I say the updated perimeter of shapes. I'll see you later. Bye. Have a nice time.